Welcome back for another Getting to Know Your Dream Career or the Mechanical Engineering Guide Notes. The elements of mechanical engineering. The discipline of mechanical engineering is concerned in part with certain elements. We have design, professional practices, forces, materials, fluids, energy, motion. Mechanical engineers invent machines and structures that exploit those elements in order to serve a useful purpose and solve a problem.
Original design and the practical issue of making something that works are the themes behind any engineering endeavor. An engineer creates a machine or product to help someone solve a technical problem. The engineer might start from a blank sheet of paper, conceive something new, develop and refine it so that it works reliably, and all the while satisfy the constraints of safety, cost, and manufacturability.
Robotic welding systems, internal combustion engines, sports equipment, computer hard disk drives, prosthetic limbs, automobiles, aircraft, jet engines, surgical tools, and wind turbines are some of the thousands of technologies that mechanical engineering encompasses. It would not be much of an exaggeration to claim that for every product you can imagine, a mechanical engineer was involved at some point in its design, material selection, temperature control, quality assurance, or production. Even if a mechanical engineer didn't conceive or design the product per se, it's still a safe bet that a mechanical engineer designed the machines that built, tested, or derived the product. So, mechanical engineering has been defined as the profession in which power-producing and power-consuming machines are researched, designed, and manufactured.